Hello, hi Kishori, how are you?
Hi Rahul, I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good, doing good. Just wanted to know about
Yeah.
what do you think about e-learning? Some of your opinions, what do you think about it?
Like e-learning electronic mode, like it is very useful in this generation actually. Like apart from our textbook things, like especially in MBA, and we require very much skills, knowledges, especially when we are recruited in a company, and they want us to be like out of the text. They wanted us to be skilled and wanted to be more knowledge about that particular topic. So e-learning helps us to know about various topics, and apart from our textbook things, we will get to know more about it. And there are almost most of the topics that will be benefiting us, and even it is very cost effective. The textbooks, we no need to buy textbooks. We will be getting many textbooks through online, so the cost will be less. And yeah, even there are very much challenges, but still it is like almost helpful. Even our teachers can't cover so many topics apart from our textbook because they want to complete the syllabus as you know. So it will be helpful for us to know about more topics outside the textbook as well.
So, have you gone through any kind of e-books ever?
Yeah, actually, during my graduation time, there was like they were telling us to learn about like few topics like SEBI, because I graduated from BCom Finance, so they told us to learn about SEBI. So we need to give the certificate also. So even there are so many platforms like Swayam. So we did our course from there. Even yeah, we got to know more about it.
So, was it
Say,
good?
yeah, it
Did you
was
enjoy
very
it?
yeah, it was very informative. It was not in our textbook. As a finance student, there was nothing related, like more detail about everything. So it was very helpful to know. Yeah.
So, I understand e-learning is very good, very
Yeah.
helpful, but I guess with every good thing, challenges also come. So,
Yeah.
do you think any kind of challenge
Yeah, of
in
course.
e-learning?
Like there will be students, like there are people in rural areas who want to do some, like who want to know about the subject or courses. So not in rural area also, but here also. But there are like so many network issues. Like we won't be getting the proper network. If there is construction going near, there won't be network access. So that is one of the challenges. And as I said about cost, it is not like only benefit. There are like even cost is a little challenging. Like sites like Byju's, they offer e-learning books. Like it will be very costly. Yeah, so it will be like that kind of challenges as well.
Yeah, I mean, I guess many e-learning sites or websites or other academies are too costly for people to afford, right?
Yeah, not everyone can afford it.
Yes, I also agree on it. So challenges are good, but also I guess there would be some benefit also,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, like it is accessible. We can do it anywhere, every time, whenever we want, in the bed, in the classroom, anywhere we can do it. And it is like
Yeah, very. It is very not that unaccessible.
yeah.
Right. It is very like we can whenever we want we can just get up off our bed and we can just go through the online
Yes.
things what are available, every kind of e-learnings and every books we can just go through, right? Yeah, and I guess there are many more benefits. You think
Yeah,
so?
so we can also get access to various documents or notes from IIM universities and Oxford also. And also, if we have any doubt relating to that subject, we can also go through chat books. Like in the websites, we'll get a site and get access to that. We can also ask questions related to any subject. So it will be helpful for that.
Okay, Krishna, it was very good talking to you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.